feedback for Taif on WR1. Good job. I think you're coming along. But a couple things. Delete this. This is the wrong word. I think you want to say nowadays there are a lot of car accidents. You need to change your font too. You got it in Calibri. You need to change that to Times New Roman. So it changed the whole thing to Times New Roman. After that, I think everything looks good. I like a transition sentence here. That means writing something like you're talking about all these causes, causes. Say, you know, with so many causes, it's important to look at the effects. And then say this essay will focus on the effects. Also, I want you to give me some examples. This is kind of an example, but instead of saying maybe, just say, for example, some car accidents, you know, can lead, you know, getting a car accident can lead to blindness. But give some examples. You talk about how people getting handicapped. Give an example. People increasing in death. Give an example. Loss of property, LOSS, and this should be a full stop, and this should be a new full capital letter. Awareness. Show me how. Okay, I like your awareness campaign, but how? Through radio, through TV, through maybe sending teachers or, you know, people to schools to talk, or officers to school to talk. So make those changes and then upload it into week 5 here, and you're gonna have to print it also for Thursday.